Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Amazon Fire TV remote is not working. If your remote won't respond, won't pair or stop working suddenly, don't worry, these simple steps usually fix the problem. First, remove the batteries from the remote, put in new batteries and make sure they are replaced correctly. Weak or dead batteries are the most common reason the remote stop working. Next, restart your Fire TV, unplug the Fire TV from the power, wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Turn on your TV and wait for the home screen to load. If the remote still doesn't work, try pairing it again. Hold the home button on the remote for the 10 seconds. Keep holding until the Fire TV shows a message saying that remote is connected. If the remote won't pair, use your iPhone. Download the Amazon Fire TV from the App Store. Make sure your iPhone and Fire TV are on the same Wi-Fi. Use the app to control your Fire TV until the remote works again. Make sure nothing is blocking the Fire TV. Move other electronic away like soundbar or router. Stay within the 10 feet of the TV using the remote. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.